Alright, in this video we are going to see how to create this page transition effect using HTML, CSS, GZAP and the Barba.js. So not to worry about the name, Barba.js is simply the page transition JavaScript library. We just have to use the script which is mentioned in the documentation, and this is what we can achieve. So this is going to be the continuation part of the video episode number 11. So this is going to be episode number 12. So in the previous episode we have seen how to create a simple page transition with closing like TV. Now this is slightly different animation. The only thing that I have changed here is I have just added this div. So this div is simply the div which you see at over here. So each of them I have given the class a wipe, and to uniquely call them I have given wipe1, wipe2, wipe3 just to give the CSS color. And this is the container. What I have done is I had the container and I have given the position fixed so that it fixed at the screen, and stretched the width and height. So whatever is there inside, we know we have a wipe, the single class wipe. So I have given display flex, so whatever is there it will be displayed in the form of column. So each of them I have given width 20%, since we have 500 divided by 2 equal to we get 5. So that's the reason I have given width, so that it completely fills the screen, and height is also the same way. Now if I don't write the JS, what happens is it will be completely filled with, let me remove the JS and show you. If I remove the JS, the screen will be completely filled with the color. Let me remove the opacity as well. Okay, we'll leave as it is, not to make any simple changes, or else it will be a problem. So what I have done is this container will stretch completely to fill the screen with 5 different colors. So with the help of Barba.js, so on the first thing, before getting into another page, I want the container to have opacity from opacity 0 to opacity 1. Now if you see, I have given opacity 0 over here. Now on page load, that means if I click, I want the container to have opacity 1. The second thing, I want each of the wiper to start from bottom and end on top with the stagger effect. Stagger means 1 by 1. If you don't write stagger, it will be like a single screen. Let me remove the stagger and show you. Control H, remove it with comma, remove it. Now if I refresh and show you, now already in the page 2. Now click on home. Now you see, without stagger this is how it looks. So that's the reason why we have added stagger, so that each of the child gets the animation one after the other, the 1 second delay. I have given the delay of the 0.1 second, so each of the child will get 0.1 second delay. So that's all for this video. Get the source code in the description. And we have completely seen how to use the Barba.js in the previous video. Just look into it in case if you got stuck or you have no idea what is Barba.js is.